Ya. Pinura na okay, así estoy. Okay.
So this is the solid white light. Looks pink in the video because of the camera body, but solid white means that it's fully charged and ready to go. So unplug that and turn around the camera to where the open and turn on is. And it doesn't turn on. There's no little song. So even though the battery is supposedly fully charged, this unit is not working. This is the second unit that has done this. It has charged for more than 24 hours.
So the camera printed half the photo and doesn't want to turn on anymore. And the battery was loaded.